A Darling Library tutorial. Why cite your sources? It isn't really about plagiarism. There are several reasons to cite your sources, and most have nothing to do with plagiarism. We cite to tell the reader where your ideas came from. Therefore, we ideally include page numbers. To give credit to the authors, the creators of these ideas. To demonstrate that your work is well researched, with a variety of types of resources, and that you used more than the minimum. To demonstrate the currency of your research. To demonstrate that you aren't just stating your opinion, but have experts that back up your conclusions. Lastly, we cite to avoid plagiarism. One solution to plagiarism is to cite while you write. Don't wait to put the citations in until the end of writing. This guarantees that you will miss some citations. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.